Ndewo, aha m bụ Ijeoma, na-ewetara gị nkuzi Igbo. Today anyị ga-eme making requests in Igbo. Okay, simple commands requests. Biko bịa, please come. Biko bịa, please come. Biko nyere m aka, please help me. Biko nyere m aka, to give me a hand or help me. Biko nyere m aka, please help me. Biko nye m mmiri. Biko nye m mmiri, please give me water. Biko nye m mmiri, please give me water. Bịa were mmiri, come take water. Bịa were mmiri, come take water. Were, take. Bịa rie nri, come eat. Bịa rie nri, come and eat. Okay, so come and eat. Bịa rie nri. There's actually no and in that sentence here, but that's what it means, come and eat. Bịa rie nri. Biko wete akpa m. Please get my bag or bring my bag. Wete, get or bring. Biko wete akpa m. Please bring my bag. Wete. Biko were oche. Please take a seat or take a chair. So it can be take a chair, maybe somewhere, or it can be literally take a seat, sit down. Biko were oche. Please take a seat. Please take a chair. Biko were oche. Mechie ụzọ. Mechie ụzọ, close the door. Ụzọ here is door. Sometimes ụzọ might be the way or a path or a road, but it also means a door. Mechie ụzọ, close the door. Mepee ụzọ, open the door. Mepee ụzọ, open the door. Gbanye ọkụ, turn on the light. Gbanye ọkụ, turn on the light. Gbanye. Gbanyụọ ọkụ, turn off the light. Gbanyụọ ọkụ, turn off the light. Gbanyụọ, turn off the light. Okay, daalụ. Kedu ihe mụtara taa? What have you learned? Please comment below. Okay, you're invited to join us in the boot camp where we do Zoom live online lessons. Okay, so that you can practice your speaking and start speaking Igbo the way you want to. Ngwanụ ka ọ dị, ọ na-asụkwa Igbo.